Thank you for clicking Dr. Samurai Minute Lecture. In this video, I would like to answer the question of why are we feeling something is clearly wrong in today's society? My name is Dr. Samurai. I am a professor specialized in international social pathology. I live in Tokyo. And I know you who are watching this minute lecture is all over the world. But I am certain we are sharing the same feeling that something is wrong in today's world. Have we ever thought about what is really going on? To explain our feeling of discomfort, we can say what used to be reason and rational way which everybody could agree on in the end of our disputes over differences over opinions do not work in today's society. We used to have certain basic social standards which we can look to for solving our disputes. But in today's society of diversified different values, that common ground, the social standard, is non-existent. Why is that? For instance, say young people are fighting physically. It used to be when one side is winning and the other side goes down a couple times, bleeding with the swollen face. That winning side naturally stopped attacking the other side, knowing that he won the fight. Right? Because the outcome of the fights was clear, they stopped fighting right there. In an ideal situation, they shake each other's hand and accepted each other. One side admitted he lost. The other side, although he won the fight, he knew the other side never backed down and respected the other side's guts of never backing down. It was like that. In other words, we all respected natural rule and natural consequence. But what about today's fight? One side bring the gun over to shoot the other side. And if he sees his opponent's wife and kids, he even shoot those family members unrelated to their issues. In the case of Mr. George Floyd, his niece was also gunned down years later after Mr. Floyd was murdered. I must say, we are living crossing the line of natural rule, where only bloated up human egos control the situation. There's no natural rule or natural providence or law of nature working anymore, which I pointed out as reason and rationality. I can put it as our natural feelings we share as natural beings. Even if we see the natural result, we try to change it by our distorted, swollen egos. Once we cross this line of natural providence, over here, anything goes. There's no rule or limitation or parameter anymore, because we already crossed the line of our natural standard as natural beings. We are all living in our bloated up image or imagination created by artificial human egos. If you like this kind of serious discussions, please click that green and the yellow Good Luck Gem logo. That said, what can we do to fix this distorted situation today? In today's society, those with louder voices, with money and power, can even control what is justice and what is right. If you have a lot of money and power, you can even win the court decision. Those who go to prison are only those who are poor and have to accept such a controlled justice by people of power. Here's what I think we should do. The phrase diversified values, or the source of today's wronggoings. There's no diversified values. There's no more number of values today than old times. What is right has never changed. But in today's excessive capitalist society, we are accepting as many individual interests as possible because they produce profits in this capitalistic society. They are not values, but we are calling it values in this capitalist society. To correct this wrong society, we have to put up a simple social direction, which is no invasion into others' territory, not resort to killing as an easy solution, and be fair and act based on justice. No invasion, no killing, be fair and just. Only these three cover all the wrongdoings if they are obeyed in every situation. Although this is the part one of how to repair today's society, I would like you to think about those three guidelines that I've just mentioned. And I would like to hear what you have to say about those three: no killing, no invasion, fair, and justice. If we can cover this whole world with this basic tone of three guidelines, we can at least have something to look up to when we face today's complicated situation. If you are interested in this kind of serious discussions, please click that red Dr. Semi logo. Wherever you are, my friend, on this very small planet Earth during this same short period of time. Okay, thank you very much.